Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve sorry cannot connect to the server. Please try again problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Gemini. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search Gemini. Update Gemini app if available on Play Store or App Store. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Go to Gemini. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.